Today we're gonna install the Fantastic fan. Yeah, Fantastic fan.
I get it. Fantastic.
And
Pretty
we
good.
have this guy here to help.
I'm just watching.
I'm using his tools and his electric.
Yeah, please.
So we already went ahead. I don't know if you guys will see this, but we marked where we're gonna put the fan here. Make sure there's no obstruction above you and all of that good stuff. Got our grinder ready there, set, ready to go. Ready there,
Ready, set, there, go.
Hey, yeah, guys, measure, measure, measure 100 times. Don't do like us.
Measure twice.
Cut
Cut
twice.
Cut
Measure
twice,
once.
measure once. That's what my old pappy used to say.
But yeah, we already measured. We made sure there was clearance up at the top because we have
Metal rack.
yeah, a ladder rack up there. So just make sure you measure right. I'm putting this to the back of my roof because I might add more solar panels to the front. So you can put this, you know, it's your preference. Right, Tyler? First cut.
Don't try this at home, kids.
I still have 6 more payments on this truck. Damn it. Don't mess it up.
Ah, come on!
I got light.
We live? Back at it again with another one, guys.
No, I just finished repairing.
Huh.
So, guys, they say this is the best stuff to use on RVs and cutting holes in your roof.
Just
So,
buy a new one.
Just cut a hole in my roof. So this is the best stuff to use. Let me show you guys what I did so far. I had some simple green and some 91% alcohol. You could drink it and you could clean with it. So I taped off the edges just in case any excess, what do you call that stuff? Caulk and stuff goes over in that side. When I pull the tape off, it'll be nice and clean. So I cleaned the area. You can see how dirty it was. It was like this black speckled stuff. So wiped it down real good with a nice clean rag. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it in. Look at this beautiful, let's test it first. Connor's gonna hold this. And I'm gonna drop this in here so you can see what it looks like.
Wow.
And there you go, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and silicone it because now we know it fits. And if it fits, it ships.
That's my editing. You follow me, camera guy?
This is how it looks. I had to move this rail back a little bit so when this opens up, you know, I have clearance. And it's just like right there, literally. It's like a ½ an inch clearance. And you know, that's how it just works out for me sometimes, you know?
That's why you wing it.
Yeah, guys.
Cut first,
in
measure
life,
second.
just wing it. And sometimes it'll work out.
So eloquently put.
All right, guys, so now that we know it fits, let's take it out. And I'm gonna put a lot of this on there. I'm not holding back this time, guys, because I gotta fill up all these grooves. And the good thing about this is it's self-leveling, so it'll level itself off. So hopefully it works. I had this for a year sitting in my truck throughout winter, so hopefully it's still good. If not, Connor's got to do it again.
Huh?
Because it's his fault. He's like, yeah!
It's so good.
He's no help, guys. He always just says, yeah! Okay. I'm using a lot so I can just squeeze this. What do you call it?
Yeah, I would use this one.
Squeeze it
I
out
would
the
use the
side.
rest of the tube.
Yeah, that doesn't make sense saving this.
You probably can put a bead on the inside too once it's set. That's
Yeah.
actually not a bad idea.
I'm gonna put a lot in these grooves so I can squeeze it down. Why am I shaking so much? Guys, I'm a trained professional. Literally, I've never done this before. Why is this so hard to squeeze?
Why are you straining? It sounds like
Because I'm weak, okay?
you want the white?
It's Father's Day.
I'm out here sweating.
Okay, let me put some more in the grooves. I guess, like you said, we could fill it
Yeah. How Webley
One
got his groove back.
once it's
You see what I did there? I coined the phrase from the popular movie how Stella got her groove back from the movie Webley.
Oh, okay.
You like that?
I don't get his movie
Not
references.
funny, huh?
Because I'm not from here at all.
I guess I'll work on it.
I only know African and Jamaican shows. I don't know American shows.
Your favorite movie is Catch Me If You Can.
Yeah, it's a Jamaican movie.
The popular actor Leonardo DiCaprio.
Yeah, he's
I
actually.
love him. He's so handsome.
Alright, guys. Uh-oh. This stuff is, I put a lot.
Careful. You wanted the goo out.
But that before I start squeezing it in. Alright, it's gonna make a mess. Guys and girls. And children of all ages. Alright. So make sure you're putting this in the right way. The hinges face the front because you want the flap to open, you know, that way. So when you're driving, the wind doesn't.
Blow it open. Oh, you just got a bunch of
Okay. I think it's doing it. Oh yeah, that's a lot of goo. You see that goo coming out the side, guys? Now let me go find the screws so I could actually...
Wait, are those the ones that came in the bag?
Yeah. Can you pass me the extension piece?
Extension?
Yeah, the
Oh, for the screw gun?
yeah.
Where is it in the bag?
Yeah, in the side somewhere. Good. This is good. Hey. When I'm screwing it, it's
Pulling it in?
yeah, and it's
Yeah, I see all the muck coming
and it's
through.
wrapping around the screws too. To yeah, now that it's not moving, I can do all that. You still see light? Connor?
Yeah.
Yes? I did all the grooves.
Just one spot on this one. See? By the corner? Yeah.
Right here?
Oh, there you go. Yeah, I'm not seeing any more light. Still try to hit it from this side, too.
Okay.
Look at that open, it's probably another weight we don't use it now, right?
There you go. Here it is. Alright guys. I think I have all the corners. So now once this dries, I'll take the tape off. As you can see, my 2 panels up here. And I left this section just in case I could add more panels under my roof rack. So that's why I put my fan to the back. I did some bootleg wiring. Don't try this at home. I had like a light in the ceiling right here, and I just connected a wire, boom, right here, just to see if it's working. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the vent with this little lever right here. And I had like a 1/2 inch clearance from that, what do you call it, beam thingy right there. So let's see if it works, guys. Uh-oh, nice. Ooh, I feel it. Feel it, Connor?
Feel it.
And that's the highest speed. It's on 3. Doesn't sound that loud to me. I guess I have other noise going on outside, but it's doing its job. I like it. I like it like that. And I have a switch over here that was for this light. So it should turn off when I flip one of these switches. There you go. It's off right now. It's cooling down. And then flip the switch. Nice. You're welcome, Connor.
Thank you. Wow.
Feel it? Feel it. This is a fuse. If you guys wondering, this is a fuse. This is to open and shut the vent. They have a more expensive one that has a remote. This is the cheap version. I'll leave a link to this one down in the description. And yeah, it works.
That's all you have to do to remove it? That little...
This opens the vent.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Sweet.
The remote one, they have a...
Oh, you got the poverty one.
Yeah. So,
Now you can't lay down and use it. You have to get up.
no, I'll put a pull chain. Chip, chip.
Just like that. Chip, chip.
Yeah, guys, one more thing I forgot to mention. The fan won't turn on at all if the vent is closed. So that's like a little safety feature, so it doesn't keep spinning, and because it's not sucking or blowing anything out, it'll strain the motor. So once you even open it a little bit like so, then the fan will come on. But if you close it, if it's closed, it shuts right off. Once you open it enough, it'll come right on. You don't even have to open it all the way. There's a safety switch up there that tells it like, hey, it's open enough for air to come in, so it could go ahead and turn off, which is pretty cool, so you won't like burn your motor up. Look at that, nice. All right, and there you go. Peace.